to the strong economic relationship with Australia, Malaysia has become the largest trading partner in the Oceania region in 2021.
Australia and Malaysia have a very long, a very stable and a mutually beneficial trading relationship. So it may surprise many Malaysians and Australians to know that approximately 80% of Malaysia's wheat imports come from Australia. And that's made into things like roti, into noodles for laksa, a lot of value adding to that product. And some of that is consumed domestically and then also exported to third markets. So that is a direct benefit to the Malaysian economy. You can see the Australian Trade and Investment Commission is responsible for helping Australian and Malaysian companies look for commercial, long-term sustainable partnerships. We work in promoting foreign direct investment, international trade and the promotion of international education. We have a small role to play also in tourism. We grow the tourism industry in Australia and help companies within that industry look for opportunities given the increasing tourism trade now.
Australia and Malaysia are working closely on several areas to consistently strengthen the trade relationship.
So currently, Australia and Malaysia are collaborating in really some interesting areas of industry and the economy. The digital economy is one, looking at collaboration in cybersecurity, in AI, in many of the future industries that are really going to be responsible for economic growth between Malaysia and Australia. So one of the specific areas that Malaysia and Australia are working on is long-term collaboration in what we term the halal economy. So most people assume that we're talking about food and beverage or meat, but really the opportunities are in pharmaceuticals, in cosmetics, in logistics, in warehousing, and really building the brand for halal. And Australia can play a really important role working with Malaysia on things like raw materials, ingredients into the manufacturing and processing industry. Malaysian firms have been active in real estate development and commercial real estate development in Australia for many, many years. Some of our iconic heritage buildings have been refurbished and renovated by Malaysian companies. For the future, we think that Malaysian firms will contribute to our economy in agribusiness, in pharmaceuticals, in areas of health and medical. But also Malaysia has specific expertise in tunnelling and construction, and the infrastructure pipeline is quite good in Australia. So for the future, we think that that will be a very active area of Malaysian success in the Australian economy.